Hey, lovely. I'm really glad you're here. This is a quiet place for tired minds. You don't need to do anything. Just let yourself arrive. Before we begin, notice that you showed up for yourself today. That alone is already strength. Let's get comfortable. Feet on the floor or curled under a blanket. Shoulders soft. Jaw unclenched. And take one slow breath in and out. Nothing to fix, nothing to improve, just arriving. Gently close your eyes if that feels safe. Bring your attention to your breath, not changing it, just noticing. The body breathing itself. If confidence has felt shaky lately, if you've been doubting yourself more than usual, you're not broken. You're just tired. And tired minds forget their strength. So today, we're not building confidence. We're allowing safety. Because confidence grows naturally from there. Feel the chair holding you, the ground supporting you. You don't have to hold everything up. You are held. With each exhale, let the shoulders drop a little more. Let the day loosen its grip. Now quietly repeat in your mind, I'm safe to slow down. I'm safe to be human. I don't have to prove anything right now. Imagine a warm light in the center of your chest. Soft, steady, calm. Not loud, not dramatic. Just steady. Like a small lantern. This is your acquired confidence. It's always been here, sometimes hidden, but never gone. Breathing in, the light grows warmer, and breathing out, self-doubt melts away. Repeat gently, I trust myself. I move at my own pace. I am enough as I am. I don't need to rush becoming me. Let those words settle, not forcing, just planting seeds. And for the next few breaths, rest in this feeling of being supported, held, and safe. When you're ready, wiggle fingers and toes, roll the shoulders, and open your eyes. Take this softness with you, moving slowly back into your day. Your confidence isn't something you chase, it's something you return to. And you can return here, whatever you need, a soft place to land.